Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. Our story begins not with a bang, but with a point. Around 13.8 billion years ago, everything that would ever exist was packed into an infinitely small, infinitely hot, and infinitely dense point called a singularity. We call this moment the Big Bang. But it's important to understand that it was not an explosion happening in space. It was an explosion of space itself. All the matter, energy, and even the fabric of space and time were born right there. At this singularity, our known laws of physics break down completely. We cannot see past this point, nor can we explain what caused it. It is the ultimate horizon of our knowledge. In a fraction of a second, the microscopic seed contained all the potential for the entire cosmos. For this single, unfathomable point, the universe began its journey. It was not a chaotic blast outward into an empty void. Rather, the void itself was being created from nothing. This is the ultimate origin story, where the very concept of before loses its meaning because time itself did not exist. It was a state of pure energy, waiting to cool into the matter we see today. What makes the singularity so fascinating is that it represents the absolute boundary of our scientific understanding. The mathematics we use to describe the universe's general relativity literally breaks down at this point, producing infinite values that make no physical sense. This tells physicists that our current theories are incomplete. We need a theory of quantum gravity, a framework that can unite the very large with the very small to truly understand what happened at the first moment. It is worth nothing that many scientists do not believe in a literal singularity. They argue that the singularity is simply a sign that Einstein's theory is incomplete at extreme scales. Alternative models like the Big Bounce suggest that our universe is just one in an endless cycle of expansion and contraction, while others propose the aporeotic model, where our universe was born from the collision of two high-dimensional brains. These are active areas of research showing that the ultimate beginning is still very much an open question, at first explored by astronomers like Edwin Hubble and George Lemaître. To summarize, here are the three most important physics concepts from today's episode. Point number one, the universe began as infinitely dense, hot point that contained all of space and time. Point number two, the Big Bang was not an explosion in space, but an explosion of space itself. Point number three, our current physics breaks down at the singularity, indicating that we need new theories to fully understand the universe's origin.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.